Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs. emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome.
Behold my tiny package. Wait, I didn't think that one through.
Hey everyone, it's Fox from Model Making Guru here. Hello, hello, and welcome to another little mailbag video. Behold my tiny package. Now, I know who it's from. It's from SpeedyQ8. I know because the addressing name is on that. I also know because Chris from Gross Models has had a package as well. Only thing is, I kind of did know what was in it at the time. There was a conversation, I think it might have been when we were talking about something on a live stream or an e-model stream or something at some point. There was a conversation going on, and Spade said, oh, I'll send you some. I'll send you one or some or whatever it was. And I've forgotten since then what it was, and I've got no idea where the conversation was, so I don't actually know what's in here, except it's a bit rattly. So I'm going to open it now. And it's not a very big package, so don't expect this to be a long 25-minute video. Of course, we do need the knife of opening. Boing! 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 That went everywhere. Knife of opening. Still not replaced the blade yet. I'm going to keep going until this blade is just a rounded. Refuse to replace the blade. Well, I'll wait till this blade on this knife gets a bit blunt, then I'll put it in that. Yeah. Right, let's get this puppy open. Now, I don't know if anything is in here that goes all the way to the edge, so I don't actually know the best way to... You've covered up the flap, haven't you? He's covered up his flaps, Mum. Oh, I don't know where I can cut and where I can't. I'll just cut there and see what happens. Brilliant, done. Thanks for watching. No. Okay, a little bit of purchase in there. When you don't know what's in an envelope, you don't know how far you can go with a knife, you see, so... Well, let's have a look. Maybe something I can eat, that'd be nice. We have... Do we have a note? Okay, we have... Oh. Scalpel marble... Let me get the... Tell you what I'll do, before we read it all out. Let me get the things out. Fox. Okay. Let me just get the bits out first. There's multiple things. What on earth is that? I don't know. Oh. Now I remember. Now I remember. Now I remember. Right. We have, first of all, 3D printed Canada. Yes, a maple leaf in a placemat thing, and just like a template hole. I can use that for masking. Cool, thank you. It's like a placemat, and I think I can use that as a template for spraying things on flat surfaces, obviously. But now I've got a good. That's a nice print. That is. I'm quite impressed with this. If this is a 3D print, dude, that's really smooth. That's like, oh, that's nice. That is. You got a good 3D printer there, mate. It's very crisp and very smooth. There's not a lot of scrapey on there. I like that. That's nice. It's very nice. Thank you very much. We have a whole and let me read the note. He says, well, let me read the note to myself first. It's always really tiny writing. Yeah, we've got, I'll show you all the bits first. We've got a collection of many little tiny brush things. Now it's really weird that he sent me these, got a little knobble on the end, because not that long ago Kenneth from Australia, our good friend Kenneth, sent me exactly the same pile of brushes. So I've got tons of these, and these are going to be brilliant because these are like little tiny brushes, and these would be great for getting to little tiny eyes and little tiny details. So I've got a massive collection, thanks to the ones of Kenneth as well. Got a massive collection of tiny little detail painting brushes, loads and loads of them. Another one there. We have what's that? Oh, it's a. I'll tell you that what that is in a minute. And we have. I may have to. Oh. I'm gonna have to take a photograph and show you this. We have, and this won't come out on camera, so I'm gonna have to zoom in or something. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I will take a photograph and I'll put it here. But we have many. Let's see if I can line them up. Many little hamsters and hamster heads. If you remember, When Chris does his little Warhammer live stream, he does the Warhamster thing, and I owe him a drawing of a Warhamster, like a hamster in like Space Marine armour. And we were bemoaning the fact that you can't actually get, nobody seems to make, you think somewhere, one of the companies that makes like little resin parts for Warhammer and things like that, like you get companies like Anvil that do little figures, they do torsos and heads and bodies and all kinds of things, third-party Warhammer parts. You think somebody would do a hamster head because it's Warhamster, but nobody does. So Spid has very nicely printed out, and actually really quite good. Let me get my helmet of seeing so I can see them. Hang on. Let me have a look up close and personal. Oh yes, that is a really nice print. I'll say I'll put a photograph up. Oh, there's so much potential in there. Oh yeah, we'll have to see if we can squeeze these on the top of a Space Marine. Oh, falling over. And two full hamsters doing little nibbly things. That's a really nice smooth print there. You've obviously got your print sorted out really nice. Let's see how these fit on a Space Marine. Oh yeah, they're about the right size. Oh. Excellent. Let's have a read of the note. Foxx contains genuine Warhamsters. Open with caution. 2 times complete, 4 time heads for conversions of Marines in epic scale. Scalper handle for number 3 Swan Morton blades. Aha, there you go. That's what that is. Coaster for Canada, extra bit included due to slight crack, will require fettling. So yeah, we had to do it. So it is a coaster. Oh yeah, there's a little bit of a crack there. Oh, I see. So I can combobulate that, or I can just use that as a coaster and that as a coaster because the little crack's fine. Get some glue in there, it'll be all right. Awesome. So that's a nice collection of stuff. I'd never mind doing a bit of fettling. And apparently he's ordered something from Japan. Could be China. TCF AMZ HB 288. I hope that's nothing embarrassing. Right. So awesome. Spid, thank you so much. I've got tons of these now, and I've used one the other day actually. If you get a good point on them, these are fantastic for doing little detail parts. So I've got loads of those now. That's absolutely brilliant. So thank you very much, dude. I've not got a number 3 blade, but I'll get one. I'll stick it on there. I'm impressed with your printing, dude. It's really smooth. I don't know if you've gone in and smoothed these off, or if it's just your printer's that good. That's really smooth. There's not a lot of lines on there. But yeah, we'll definitely get something going on with those heads. I have some spare Space Marines. I shall do a Space Warhamster, I think. Awesome. But thank you very much, Spid. That's very, very kind of you. I shall go and have some fun with these Warhamster heads. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, as always, if you want to have a good time, do go to... Well, I've got to be careful what I say here. Do go along to the Model Makers Boom Hut, facebook.com/groups/Model Boom Hut. There's a group build on at the minute. Go and check it out. And don't forget, of course, if you'd like to support this channel, you're more than welcome to. You can pop along to patreon.com/Model Making Guru, and every little bit helps. I depend on my patrons to keep this channel going, so do go and check it out. There's lots of rewards to be had. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much, Spid, for these lovely things. I shall put these to good use. And until next time, take care of yourselves. Go make something awesome. Go be awesome. You there, go be awesome. And adios, amoebas. So cute. So cute.